Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss how to create a letterhead in Word document. So first, what is letterhead? In the companies, compulsory we have to use letterheads. For example, if you wanted to give any information about the company, just we have to mention inside the letterhead only. For example, if you are giving offer letters or else relieving letters to the employees, just we have to place on the letterhead only. Or else just if you wanted to apply for any contracts, we have to place the information on the letterhead only. Like in the hospitals also, if they wanted to give any information like prescriptions, we have to write on the letterheads only. So that's why these letterheads are very important. So that kind of letterheads will do in Microsoft Word document only. And preparing the letterhead, that is very important. In that, design also very important. So we need a proper look for the letterhead. Now we'll see how to prepare a letterhead in Word document step by step. First, take a new Word document and go to the layout. Set the page like it is called page setup. Go to the margins, normal margins, orientation, portrait, paper size will take A4 paper, and everything is okay. Then after that we'll start the letterhead step by step. Go to the insert tab, go to the shapes, look at there. That shapes option is there in the illustrations group in the insert tab. Go to the insert tab, go to the shapes and select any one shape from this. See, I'm selecting this shape. Draw the shape. And you can do like a rotate this shape. See, otherwise there is an option, go to rotation, you can do flip vertical and flip horizontal. Look at there, same thing you can do in that way. Otherwise, by using rotation also you can rotate this shape. Now just place here, go to the format and shape also, which shape you want you can change the shape also. Now go to the home tab, copy, paste, otherwise Ctrl plus C copy, Ctrl plus V paste. Select this shape, go to the format, go to the shape fill, you can change any color here. Look at there. And I don't want this outline. Go to the format, go to the shape outline, no outline. For this shape also, go to the format, shape outline, no outline. Look at there. Next, again select this, go to the format, you can change the color also. And this time just go to the copy and paste. I'm creating another box, another shape. Select this, go to the format, shape fill. See, look at there. Just I'm taking another shape and fill with another color also. Like this, just I have designed one shape on the top of the document. Now here you can type the text also. Go to the insert tab, go to the word art. See, what is word art? For the names for the text, you can do how you want design. So already there are existing designs or there in the word art. You can choose anyone from this. Say, look at there. Just I'm selecting this. You can type the text. For example, just I'm gonna type our company name, Selvin Technologies. See, just here you can type anything. For practicing purpose only we are doing here, that's why. Then you can change the color also. Go to the home tab. Now I am changing into the yellow color. Look at there. Next, again go to the insert tab. Go to the text box. Draw the text box. Draw the box. And you can type any text here. Like I want to give my company address. Second floor, like Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad, India. Look at that. Next, go to the format, shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, no outline. Go to the home tab, say font color white. See, just how you want, you can design here. Next, select this text box. You can do copy and paste. See, just here also, same thing. Mobile, like just I'm giving first landline, some any number, okay. Then phone number 9030324242. Look at that. Align center. And just if you want, you can reduce the font size also. Next, after this, just I want to insert a company logo. See, go to the insert. Say I don't have any company logos. Otherwise, you can take from the icons also. Go to the icons. Look at there. You can choose any icon from this. Say accessibility, analytics, animals, anywhere. So just for sample, I'm taking this one. Insert. Next, go to the wrap text. You can say in front of text, place here. But it is not visible properly. So go to the graphic fill, say white color. And the graphic outline also you can change. Look at there. Say which color you want, you can change here also. And you can increase and decrease the size of the logo. Just we are taking this as a logo. For example, just practicing purpose. And after that, again go to the insert tab, go to the text box, then draw text box. Just draw the text box here. Give some text like I'm giving reference. Give the tab, then give the date. Next, after this, go to the format, say shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Look at this. After that, we'll go for bottom of the page. Go to there and go to the insert. Again, go to the shapes. Select this time rectangle. Next, draw the rectangle. And you can fill with any color. Go to the shape fill. Look at there. Just you can take any color there. And shape outline, no outline. Copy, paste. Go to the shape fill. Select any color. Look at there. Next, here also we'll type some text. Go to the insert. Go to the text box. Draw the text box. Here, email ID. serwintechnologies@gmail.com. Website. Next, here also you can do bold, increase font size. Go to the format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline, and go to the home tab. Font color is white. Look at that. Place this in the center of the shape. See. And if you want change this heading like email ID, go to there and choose any color like this. After this, just I want to insert anything as a watermark. Go to the design tab, watermark, custom watermark, text watermark. See, just type anything like I'm taking Srinivas Technologies. Then select the diagonal. Okay, look at that. So generally we are using logos, company logos as a watermark. Go to the watermark, custom watermark, picture watermark, select picture. From file you can select any picture and you can insert. So instead of text, instead of company name, we'll use this picture as a watermark also. So this time just I'm selecting text watermark, type the text, then say OK. Look at there. So go to the print preview, Ctrl+P. See, this is my letterhead. Okay, so like this you can create your own letterhead. See, this is not a fixed format. You can choose any format, you can change any design. So just normally by using this all the options you can make a letterhead. Next, after completion of this letterhead, you can convert into the PDF format or else image format. So others don't want to modify. Go to the file, save as, already just browse. Just you can type the name. For example, I am typing Salvin Tech letterhead. Then select the save as type PDF. Then save. See, this is my letterhead in the PDF format. So you can send this PDF format also to the people who wants letterheads, and like this you can create your own letterheads, and you can take the printout, you can write something, otherwise directly your text you can paste here in the letterhead. So you can take the printout along with the text, this letterhead.